Today, we're making minimalist storage bottles for the bathroom. This is a quick and easy project to uplift your bathroom decor. First, you're going to need some pump bottles. I've bought mine from Decor in Australia, but I've put some alternative options from Amazon in the description below. You'll also need some good quality permanent vinyl in a colour of your choice. I'm using black HTV Ront. You'll need transfer tape, a ruler to measure the decal size, some washi tape, and some alcohol to clean your bottles. We're going to start by measuring the total surface area of your bottle to make a template. So get out your ruler and measure both the height and the width of one side of the bottle. In Cricut Design Space, go to the Shapes tab and create a square. Click this padlock up the top here so you can unlock the aspect ratio and turn it into a rectangle. Enter the height and width of the bottle surface area you measured earlier. Let's also make the shape white so it's easier to see our font. The font you choose to use will depend on your own bathroom style. I've created a bunch of possible fonts you might like. Some are available in Cricut Design Space and some you'll need to install. I'll pop a list of all the font names in the description below. Now let's create the decal. Click the text button in the left side panel and double click to type out our longest word, conditioner. I'm going to change the font up here to BFC Artisan Bread. It has a really sleek minimalist look. Let's rotate the text by hovering over the corner, click, hold and rotate it until it's in a vertical position. Alternatively, you can enter 270 in the rotate section up here. Let's resize our text. Click on a corner of the text and resize it to fit nicely on the bottle, a little less than halfway up, and we can play around with the placement to get the look just right. Now for our next bottle, highlight the template rectangle and the text, right click and duplicate. Drag the duplication next to our conditioner decal. And we can double click on the word and type our next word, shampoo. We shouldn't need to change the size here because it will have exactly the same size font as the decal we made earlier. Do the same thing for body wash or whatever bottle decals you're making for your bathroom. If your text is a bit thin, like this Autography font, I recommend adding an offset that's 0.01 inches and delete the original text. This thicker version will make it easier to read and it looks a little clearer when reading the bottle from a distance. Place your vinyl onto a Cricut mat and cut it out with your Cricut. Then we can weed our decals. Let's prepare our bottles for the transfer. Start by peeling any existing stickers or labels from your bottle. And then thoroughly clean the surface with some alcohol spray or alcohol wipes. We're going to place washi tape across the bottom of the bottle like so. And then place a long piece of washi tape vertically in the middle. Place transfer tape onto your decal and use the washi tape line as a guide for the placement on the bottle to keep everything straight. Once the vinyl decal is stuck down, you can remove the washi tape, leaving a straight and perfect decal behind. And there you have it, some sleek minimalist bottles for your bathroom. Thanks for watching.